Hi, my name is Katie Zarco Cardoso, and I'm going to show you the new feature that allows commissions to be split by two staff members when making a sale in the online store. Previously, commission could only be applied to one staff member per store transaction. To access the online store, I'm going to click the app drawer and select Store. Here I am in the online store, and I am making a purchase for a client, Jane Edwards. When making a purchase in the online store, if the setting Apply a Commission Rate for a Staff Member is toggled on, staff can select the first staff member to receive commission with their associated pay rate. So the first staff member that's receiving commission is Thomas, and he's getting paid with his product's commission pay rate that is already set up within his staff profile. So by default, no split will be selected, meaning that Thomas here is the only staff member that will be receiving commission for this sale. Or staff can select with the Split With dropdown the other staff member who will be receiving commission as well. So here we have Philip, who is receiving commission. You can select the associated pay rate, and he's going to be being paid with the membership commission. And Jane is purchasing the block of 10 classes. When I proceed to checkout with this sale, I can see again on this checkout screen that the staff commission is here, so you can once again verify what the commission is or make changes if you need to. When a commission is split on a purchase in the store, each selected staff member will receive a commission rate based on 50% of the commissioned item's price. So in the example we're looking at here, Jane is purchasing a block of 10 classes for $100. The commission from the sale will be split between Thomas and Philip's commission pay rate based on 50% of the price of this session pass. Okay, so I am going to complete Jane's purchase here. So after completing the sale for Jane, I just want to show you that the split commission worked. So here I am on the payroll details report under the staff reporting. I have filtered the report to only view commission sales. So we are looking at the sale we just completed for Jane, where the commission was split between Philip and Thomas. So Thomas's pay commission, I'm gonna slide over just so you can see. So Thomas is on the bottom here. Thomas's commission pay rate pays him 5% of that $100 sale. So he's receiving 50% of that, which is $2.50. And Philip's pay rate is 8% of these sales. So when he is receiving 50% of that, he made $4 commission on that sale that we made for Jane in the store. One example of when the split commission feature is useful could be if a front desk staff member processes the purchase of a drop-in session run by an instructor. The front desk staff member and the session's instructor will be able to split the commission of that drop-in session. And that's it for this training video on the new feature that allows staff to split commission when making a sale in the online store. Thank you so much for watching.